In this episode, I will discuss about certain stocks which I am expecting to show certain significant movement in the next coming trading days and coming trading weeks in American markets. So keep watching this episode till end to not to miss any of the detail of my analysis on American markets. Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of AjayAstromoneyGuru.com. Welcome all of you to my another episode on American stock market. So friends, if you remember in my last episode which I have uploaded on Friday on 30th October 2020 before market opens of American markets, and in that particular episode I strongly put my views that ExxonMobil is expected to show certain profit booking in the Friday session, that is on the 30th October session, and we experienced that ExxonMobil have fallen by around 1% in the Friday session. And also in that particular show and that particular episode, I've also mentioned that the ExxonMobil is expected to show positive movement in the coming week, that is the current week, and it was the opportunity for the traders to go to for the positive move in the ExxonMobil for the next coming trading days. And as we have experienced in the yesterday's session of 2nd November 2020 of Monday session, the ExxonMobil have shown positive movement. In fact, significant positive move of more than 4% in a single day. So I hope you all have enjoyed my advanced analysis on ExxonMobil. So coming to the today's session, as we all know, the most awaited event of the global markets and the global politics is will be uh, happen today. That is on 3rd November 2020. That is the US presidential election. Although there is high amount of uncertainties and volatility in the global markets because of the US presidential elections, and therefore I am uh, according to me, there are certain stocks which can show positive movement in this volatile situation. So coming directly to the stocks, my first pick is the United States Steel Corporation that was closed at around $9.85 in yesterday's session and was up by approximately 2% on Monday. So I am expecting positive move in this stock, that is United States Steel Corporation. Also, I am positive on another stock, that is ArcelorMittal SAADR. So this stock was closed at around $14 in the yesterday's session, and it was up by approximately 3% on Monday. So in the today's as well as in the next coming trading days, these two stocks are expected to show further positive move in the American markets. So I'm repeating my picks that is United States Steel Corporation as well as ArcelorMittal SAADR. So I'm expecting some positive move in the next coming trading days in these two particular stocks. So keep watching our shows, and if you have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe uh, our channel by pressing the subscribe button. And also you can find various episodes and various shows on different commodities that includes crude oil, bullion, base metals, agro commodities, and also the stock markets of different continents that includes Indian stock market, American stock market, Asian stock market, European stock markets. So keep watching our shows. Thank you and happy trading.